Imagine effortlessly tracking your inventory, assets, or tools without manual effort. That's the power of RFID, radio frequency identification. But what exactly is RFID and how does it work? Let's find out. RFID is a wireless technology that uses radio waves to identify and track objects automatically. Unlike barcodes, RFID doesn't require a direct line of sight. Tags can be scanned even when they're hidden or stacked, making the process faster and more efficient. RFID has three key components that work together to track assets seamlessly. Tags. Tags store data about the object they're attached to. They come in various forms, stickers, keycards, or embedded chips, and are designed to be durable, even in harsh environments. Readers. Readers collect data from the tags. They come in two main types: fixed readers with antennas, designed to cover larger areas or specific zones like gates. Handheld readers, which provide mobility and flexibility for tasks like inventory checks or locating misplaced assets. Middleware. Middleware connects the data from readers to your system, providing real-time insights and actionable reports. RFID technology offers several standout features. Long-distance reading. Tags can be read from several meters away, making processes quicker and more efficient. Unique identification. Each tag has a unique ID, ensuring every item is traceable and secure. No line of sight required. Unlike barcodes, RFID doesn't need a direct view to be scanned, even working through boxes or barriers. Tag durability. RFID tags are built to last. They're waterproof, heat-resistant, and adaptable to any environment. RFID is transforming industries worldwide. It's used to track shipments in logistics, monitor medical equipment in hospitals, manage inventory in retail, and locate tools in maintenance. RFID technology is reshaping how we track and manage resources. Whether it's for efficiency, accuracy, or innovation, the possibilities are endless.